My name is Ashley Yarbrough,
And I'm Harsh.
and we're here today to tell you about Kanban and Heijunka.
The first concept that we're going to discuss is Heijunka. Heijunka is a box that holds Kanban cards used for production leveling. The Heijunka box also displays times at which the cards should be picked up. This is how we control mix and volume in the production. This really represents the customer and how they demand the product with an even flow. The box that you see here is the one that we use in our Tiger Motors Lego lab. A production run can either be 30 or 45 minutes. The Heijunka box is labeled with numbers that indicate when the cards should be taken to the manufacturing cell. For example, when doing a 30-minute production run, cards will be picked up at the 0, 6, 12, 18, and 24-minute marks. This helps maintain the rate at which Lego cars are produced. The Heijunka box prevents overproduction. Cards are released to the pacemaker at the smallest, most rationale interval. It could be a container's worth, a pallet's worth, or just a reasonable amount. We have just chosen 6. Cards are released every interval and not before, so you cannot overproduce.
In order to meet the customer demand, we are producing in the Lego lab a card every 60 seconds. This Heijunka box helps us reduce the mura, or as we call in English as the unevenness in the production schedule.
Now you're probably wondering, what are these cards inside the Heijunka box? These cards are called Kanban cards. The Kanban cards are taken to the pacemaker. The pacemaker in our process, in our Lego lab, is station 11. Station 11 is part of the final assembly. It is part of our cell 3. And the pacemaker should take place in the very end of our process, as close to delivery as possible. And that is why it is at station 11.
We have 3 different colored Kanban cards. The orange cards are for speed still model, the blue cards are for SUV model, and the white cards are for Lego cars with special orders. Each card has a picture of the Lego car that needs to be produced. It also has the quantity and type of the Lego car being produced. The white cards also have a barcode and picture of the customized part that will be put on the Lego car at the end of the final assembly process. This customized part will be supplied to the Lego lab from their supplier. Let's say this is the start of the production run and we are at the 0th minute. So I will pick this sequence of cards which is at the 0th compartment, and I will put it over here at the station 11, which is the pacemaker in our process.
The pacemaker takes place at the last place a decision can be made. In our case, it's between cells 2 and 3. That is where the supermarket is located.
So the production run has just begun, and I just got my cards. So on this Kanban card, it says that I should be producing an SUV. So I pick up a car and begin making an SUV. And as soon as I finish the part that I'm supposed to do at this workstation, this Kanban card is going to travel to the next workstation with the car. So the Kanban system that we just explained happens in all 3 cells. It happens in the first 2 sub-assembly cells, cell 1 and cell 2. And then it also happens in final assembly, cell 3. So, as we mentioned earlier, you're going to get your Kanban card and begin producing, and then this Kanban card is going to travel with the car throughout the cell. So now I need to produce a car. So what I'm going to do is I pick it up from station 5 with the card, I take the card and put it in the back of this stack here, and then I can begin producing at this station.
We hope you enjoyed learning about Kanban and Heijunka. Thanks for watching, and War Eagle!